Hey guys, it's me, Jocelyn, and my sister.
I'm Kelly.
Can you tell we're twins?
People don't believe we're sisters.
No, because we look nothing alike. But yeah, she is a pro at doing hair. She's done my hair a few times now, right? No,
Just once.
it was a long time ago you bleached it,
Oh yeah, at my house.
right?
Yeah, I think so.
And then I bleached yours and it wasn't as good. Okay, so yeah, she has done my hair before. I just want something not so green.
If you saw, wait, did you film any videos of when your hair was super blue?
Mm-mm.
Oh, well, you should put a photo of your hair super blue because we got it super blue and then this is the first bleaching process and now we're going to bleach it again to get rid of all the green and blue.
And we tried doing that vitamin C.
Vitamin C mixed with shampoo. It usually helps strip hair, but we didn't have enough to do it a bunch of times because it's a very long process.
We literally were like smashing it. Like these little capsules, like tablets.
Yeah.
Tablets, these little like vitamin C tablets, like with a hammer just on the table, like
They go flying.
But anyways, she's gonna make a mixture of bleach.
It's off of Amazon. This is the bleach and this is the developer. Hope you can see it. And then let's hope you can see that.
It smells not that bad.
Yeah, it's not as like burning smelling as most bleach.
And it got my hair like wicked light. How are you doing this?
I'm just gonna do, I've already scooped it in because we forgot we had to film me making it. This is the scooper and I did 2.5 and then I don't usually measure the developer. I just mix it till it looks like a paste, like kind of like toothpaste but more liquidy. And then I go from there. You can always add more of the powder and more of the developer until you get it to what looks the best. But I'll mix it and then I'll show you guys.
Is it kind of like a glue consistency?
Yeah,
Like Elmer's glue?
not that.
Can't breathe.
Please don't jump up there. So I'm pouring it in. I just do a little bit at a time and then I mix it and I see if it looks to the consistency that I want or if I need to add more. You also have to mix it slowly because sometimes the powder will just explode out from underneath. It's not fun.
Kelly actually does her own hair.
Yes,
too.
but it's a little bit purple right now when it's not supposed to be because I use Overtone purple conditioner and I just put it on in the shower and wash it out, and sometimes some strands will pick it up more than others. So like, I don't know if you can see but there's like stripes of purple in my hair.
Yeah, I see it. I kind of like it though.
It looks cool, but
yeah. I don't know how the heck you dye your own hair and bleach your own hair because I couldn't imagine like
yeah, it's
like,
difficult.
How?
I have multiple mirrors set up when I do
Oh
it.
my god. Luna. What a good goyle. It's funny because like people are always like, oh, having a black cat is bad luck. Like,
That's why
but then
when
when
I
it's
had one, when I had my black cat, I named her Lucky.
right.
So that people wouldn't think she's bad luck.
But here's the thing, black cats used to be considered lucky, and then all of a sudden, like, it changed to like being unlucky.
Yeah.
I don't know.
And
I think she did
associated
that.
with like witches and stuff.
Right, and that's what I was saying. Like during October, like close to or like Halloween time, cats that are black are like a cool trend or like a cool, you know what I mean? And
Like
now
that little cat with the wings and the vampire teeth.
right,
Photo.
but that's what I mean. Like it's only okay around Halloween.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm gonna attempt to show you guys the consistency. So it like doesn't just fall off the brush and it's like pretty thick. So as long as it's kind of like this, like it's kind of like toothpaste in the tube.
Have you ever taken the Rick and Morty character quiz?
Yes, you had me take it last time.
Oh, that's right. That's right. What did you get again?
Someone funny. Like you guys laughed about it. Mr. Birdman, I think, or something. Yeah.
Bird
that was your
person.
reaction.
You're a bird person. That is so funny. So my goal with this hair look
Is to get as white as possible.
yes, I want it as white as possible so then like when winter time comes, or maybe even a little bit winter's come a little before. Winter's coming and I don't want it. But I really want like a lavender.
Ooh.
Yeah, I really want like a cool toned lavender. I don't know. I think it looks so cool.
Yeah.
I've been really into purple lately. And you know what's so weird that I noticed that I do?
What?
Like, whatever the trending color is of the season, just gravitate towards, but without even knowing. Isn't that weird?
Yeah. In the wintertime, like light purple and like icy blue and stuff are good colors.
I always think of blue. Those gloves are so loud.
Huh?
Those gloves are so
I know.
loud. It's so funny. It's like.
I know, watch that be the only thing the camera picks up. Like, our
I know.
talking's like completely gone.
It's gone.
Because you just hear the whole time.
Oh my god.
There was like not that much, but it was touching you.
Okay.
Like it was part of your hair was resting on you, so
Like,
eventually it would have hurt.
Right.
Yeah.
It wasn't burning me yet, but like I could definitely feel it. We love chemical burns.
Mm-hmm.
We both got our belly buttons pierced together.
Mhm.
Like,
I
was
was
it like
first.
years ago? Oh,
Yeah. It was like
I was-
my senior year of high school.
Yeah. And it didn't like hurt going in,
Yeah.
like the needle, or the jewelry even. Like afterwards, like it hurt.
Yeah. Driving home was not fun.
Yeah, I was sitting passenger, thankfully, but like.
Well, especially because the seatbelt would just rest right there.
Oh, I think I wore like a loose shirt that day too, and it still hurt.
Did we even like plan it, or did we just spontaneously decide to go?
I think both. Oh, I didn't even address this. This is my dining room. Side note. It was too dark in my room, so.
I'm not putting like a lot of bleach on the ends yet, like not like a whole blotch until like the roots and stuff have all been touched up, because the roots need more time than the ends,
Ew.
and that way it doesn't fry your ends since they've already been bleached a bunch. Is that something on my face, or is that just a shadow?
I think that's just shadow.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure. Blue is like one of the hardest colors to get out, but it always fades like the prettiest compared to like an orange.
Right.
Purples also fade pretty sometimes, but it really depends. Because like when I had the pink and purpley hair, it started fading to an orange, and it was really weird. There's so many like art galleries around here, and like Glastonbury was driving through, like there's so many like
They have
on
a
one
lot.
street, and I was like, whoa, I've never seen this many art studios. And it really just shows that Norwich was like not the right area to be doing art in.
No.
Like there's
There's nothing over there.
There's only the one place that I did a show at like last year.
I love how Luna just went on my lap. Honey, sometimes you're a lap cat. Sometimes, not all the time, but sometimes. Oh. She's just like looking up at me. It hurts.
Do you watch like those Snapchat story things? Like the shows and stuff or whatever?
No.
Well, there's one. I think his name's like Brando or something, and he's like a hair stylist or whatever. And he watches videos of people doing their hair at home on YouTube, and he like criticizes them the whole time, and it's funny. And now I'm like, what if he watches ours?
Oh my god, yes.
That'd be so cool.
Right.
And like people in it like expect him to watch it, so then you'll hear them in their videos and like, sorry if I upset you with this technique, like. But it's always so funny because a lot of the ones he watches, like he'll be cringing at what they do, and then at the end he's like, oh, it actually's not bad.
Actually looks pretty good.
Yeah.
Wow, it's 75 degrees in here.
Oh, my back. Sorry. You definitely just like hurt your hand.
Oh, I felt nothing. Feel no pain. Only numbness.
It definitely too, like the top is less blue from the sun.
Right.
So what you could always do is just like sunbathe your hair, kind of.
I never go outside anymore though.
I know, me neither.
It's too cold. Once it like passes 70, I'm like, nah sis.
I have my Switch too, so while your hair sets, we could like play Mario Kart or something.
Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Everyone says I cheat at Mario Kart, but I don't.
How can you cheat?
That's what I was saying. But like literally all of our friends say that I cheat.
Unless you're a hack, how do you cheat?
Yeah.
Warren, a few times brought his, Warren's my boyfriend, side note. So if you're watching. But he'll bring his Mario Kart like game and stuff.
Mhm.
And wins like, I think there was one round that I won.
Really?
Yeah. He's really freaking good. Seeing you guys go neck to neck would be like
Yeah.
amazing.
I'll win, don't worry.
Everything I live for.
I'll never want to hang out with me again. Does he come every weekend?
Yeah,
That's good.
yeah.
I know your ear.
Oh god. It's scared. Don't burn my ear.
You're good.
Okay. Oh yeah, if she's like fidgeting or being weird, it's because she got piercings. So she's kind of sore.
Yeah. Like,
Got a lot of sore.
like an hour ago.
Yeah. Tell me that you're satisfied. I love seeing tweets that you retweet.
Me?
Yeah. I also retweet like missing child things.
Yeah, I do that too.
It's just good to like spread around the information. This one. At the grocery store today, waiting in line, mask on. This man comes next to me, no mask. He says, "Stupid COVID hoax." I answered, "I know, cough. Got tested positive, cough, cough, yesterday, but I'm sure they're wrong, cough." He pulled out his mask and put it on.
That's hilarious.
Like that would save him.
Yeah.
First off, like wearing a mask is protecting other people from you.
Yeah.
Like
It
from
doesn't stop
your
you from getting
germs.
theirs.
Right. Oh, sorry. I literally just sat on you and you said sorry. Like
My legs are really long, so they're just like hovering over your chair.
I still have your Christmas presents from last year.
Oh my goodness, I totally forgot about all of them.
If you want, you'll just have double Christmas presents next Christmas.
That works. Okay with you.
Lit.
Remember that one time when you took me Christmas shopping for Amber, but it was actually for me? When you got me the Star Wars mug?
Oh
And
yeah.
you were like, Amber really likes the stuff you like, so which one do you like the best? I was like, this one.
Dude, I was so smart.
I really didn't suspect anything.
Dude, look at how pretty this polish is.
Oh wow. Where'd you get it?
Light's Lacquer. It's a YouTuber's brand.
Oh, that's cool. I use like the gel at home kit or whatever,
Yeah.
the light.
Dude, this dries in like 2 seconds.
Oh wow. That's my thing, is I don't like waiting for nail polish to dry, but the light makes
Yeah.
it dry like instantly.
I wanted to get that, but like everything just adds up too expensive.
Yeah. I got it as a present for Christmas one year.
Nice.
I didn't even ask for it, my mom just got it.
Oh, so nice. Oh, we're both artists, by the way.
Yeah.
I'm more like paint heavy. Like I really like working with oil paint.
I have not. I'm trying.
With oil paint.
Yeah, I've only used acrylic though.
Acrylic's like convenient because it dries fast.
Yeah.
And it's vibrant.
Yeah.
But you don't get the same texture or effect.
Yeah.
With
It's
it.
harder to make it look realistic.
Yeah, oil paint is like really nice because it takes a while to dry, so you can
Keep
over
adding.
time, keep blending and stuff.
I'm pretty sure you're the one that like got me into art.
Yeah.
I remember you teaching me how to draw like Jasmine one time.
Oh yeah.
And then that's when I was like, well, I'm gonna do art now.
Dude, it's so fun. And the thing about art, like once you get good at it, like
You can't get bad.
yeah, and the thing is you can like be good at other things too that are artistic, like doing hair or makeup or you know what I mean?
Because you know how to use the brushes and stuff.
Right.
Like, everything
Color.
moves the same way.
Yeah.
It definitely helps me with doing my hair with the color.
Right.
Knowing the color wheel, because I know how to counteract certain colors and stuff.
Every time I have bleach in my hair, I feel like I look like a wet dog. If you were a dog, what dog would you be?
Probably a Saluki.
What the hell is that?
It's like a really tall dog. It's like very
I'll
tall.
post it here.
It's like an Afghan town. Do you know what those are?
Nope.
They're usually the show dogs with the really long fur that you have to cut.
Oh.
I want the Saluki because their hair doesn't get as long over their
Yeah.
whole body. Like, I feel like that's me because they're so tall. What dog would you be?
Probably an Australian Shepherd.
Yeah. Why do you
It's
say
kinda-
that?
I don't know, they're so cute. And they're like unique.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Each one's different, like with their coloring and stuff.
Yeah. They're artistic.
I really, really want a nature dachshund as my first dog.
Dude, that's the weirdest thing because that's the kind of dog that I've wanted.
Yeah.
Like if I were to get a
Since
dog,
like 3rd grade.
they're so cute.
This is like super random, but for Halloween, I've never done a couple's costume before. And Devin
Same.
agreed to do one as long as it's no effort for him. And I was like, okay. And then I have a
You're
shark
like, I'll dress you
onesie.
up.
Yeah, no, but he like doesn't want to have to do makeup or anything on his face and like
Yeah.
stuff like that. So I was like, okay, I have a shark onesie. He just wear that, and then I dress up as a scuba diver.
Oh my god, yes. Wait, Kelly. I was considering being a mermaid.
You could join.
And Warren.
What could he be?
What
knocked.
I'm her man.
Oh yeah, you could do that.
Just
Or you could be like
shirtless.
King Triton.
Yes! Wait, that'd be cool.
Mhm.
I'd have to like get him to do it though.
Yeah.
Originally, I wanted to be a Sailor Moon character.
Yeah.
But, so, Kelly has coated
Successfully.
My entire head.
After many hours.
After many hours. My eyes are burning.
We're gonna leave it in for like 35 minutes. Look at it. See if we should do another 5 or not.
I see it. Looks like this. Okay. So you're gonna, what are you doing? Are you wrapping it or something?
Oh, I was gonna put it up for you, just so you can walk around.
Thanks. I love mobility. I'm so excited.
Me too. Your hair's so heavy. I might do like
You're telling me, dude.
sessions of it.
It's like I have weights.
Yeah, you're good.
This is the final result.
Still a little bit of blue every now and then,
A
but
little bit.
not that noticeable.
It's definitely like more where I wanted it to be. I wanted like white basically. Yeah. So I'm gonna keep putting purple shampoo.
Especially in the roots. Because the roots were really dark brown, almost black, so they're gonna be much more brassy than the blue to the bleach.
Yeah, so can I keep doing that? That'll definitely like make it a little bit whiter too, I think.
Yeah.
And like you said, I could always like coat my whole head and
Yeah,
leave
like
it.
it's like a dye itself.
But yeah, so Kelly did an amazing job. Like my hair feels soft, it's still intact, it's not falling out.
It's a little frizzy, but because we had to blow dry it
Yeah,
pretty fast.
Puerto Rican. It's gonna get frizzy. But yeah, like if you like this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. That's a thing.
Yeah. You can set it, I'm pretty sure, for occasional videos or all the videos.
Oh really?
I've learned this from the Watch Mojo YouTube channel because they always say that in their videos. For certain videos, I don't know, I've never done it, but in their video they
Interesting.
always say occasional or all.
But yeah, if you want to follow Kelly,
I have Instagram accounts. I don't have a YouTube channel, but
that's really cool art though.
yes, I do art and obviously hair.
So if you need a hairstylist.
Yeah.
Anyways, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Love ya.
Bye.
Bye.